It's crazy, man. I know you guys just seen that clip right there, and I'm the one that just came up in here talking about, sneaker collabs is dead. And then we see what these Air Jordan 3 J Balvin just did. Shook it up, shook the sneaker community. And these things is steadily going up in the resale value. And guess what I gotta do? I took an L. Now I gotta pay that resale bread, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the videos. Try to drop, these videos for you guys every single day, especially around, hype releases like this. The Air Jordan 3 J Balvins went crazy today. And I got a confession, man. I didn't wake up until 10:11 Eastern Standard Time. So I was 1 minute late for the draw. And it's crazy because I was up at like 6 in the morning, went to scrolling on my phone, dozed off. And the next thing you know, the draw was closed. And yeah, I guess I gotta pay that resale, man, because I really do want these things. And you guys already know, man, OutRank brand has you covered as far as matching, your clothing with your sneakers. And you guys see right here, I have on this black tee, got some nice gray in there, and the black cement 2s dropped today. Very, very, sleeper sneaker. They didn't even drop on the sneakers app. They dropped on the Nike app, which is crazy. I don't know what that was about, but they did drop a pair of Dunks this morning, pair of J Balvin 3s, and the Air Jordan 2 black cements, but there was no sneakers. If there was no sneakers, they wasn't on my sneakers. I had to go on Nike to check them out, But the Air Jordan 2 Black Cement collaboration tee is live right now on OutRank. You guys already know what I've been talking about, man, with these J Balvins. I said I gotta get them. OutRank went crazy with the tee right here, as you guys can see. I'm loving it. It goes perfect with the Air Jordan 3 J Balvins. They also got the hat to match. You guys know I love rocking some hats. And this one right here goes perfect, man. So go check out OutRank right now. Use my code DaVinci to save 10% off. Got a lot of stuff available on their site. Please, man, do not sleep. Use that code. It's gonna be linked down below in the description box, man. So yeah, man, I was totally wrong about these Air Jordan 3 J Balvins, man. Me personally, I thought that the resale was going to go down just a little bit, man. And I woke up after the drop and I said, bro, it just kept going up, bro. It kept trending upwards. And I was like, man, I thought these going to go for a little bit under what they were going for the day before. And I'm just all the way wrong. So I went on StockX. I even went on GOAT, to check them out. And they're steadily going up. But I don't think that they're going to keep going up. Of course, people will get their pairs in from the J Balvin shock drop on this website. Plus, you got the exclusive access. Then you have the actual drop today from the J Balvins on Nike Sneakers app. And I do think when people get their pairs in, the resale will go down just a little bit. Because right now, bro, let me show y'all, man. Right now, these things going for some bread at my size 9, size 9.5, whatever you want to call it. They are steadily going up. I don't know if that's going to pick up. I'm going to put a screenshot in there. Actually, I'm turning the brightness down real quick for you guys. They're going for like 430, bro. 430 in my size, man. Like, yo, I was totally wrong. I say, yo, man, I'll take an L. It's cool. I might pay like 350, 360 at the most. And it's looking like your boy gonna be paying like $450 after taxes and stuff like that to get a pair in the collection. But this is a shoe that I definitely do want. You guys know it's only a couple pairs on the list left for me this year. And we only in September, So of course it was the Air Jordan 8 playoffs right here, as you guys can see. And it's the Air Jordan 12 cherries. And then the J Balvin 3s. Everything else I already have. We already got the Air Jordan 11, Gratitudes, which I don't even really need. I ain't gonna lie, I might sell them things before the drop does happen, but I am doing a giveaway for one lucky supporter on the channel. I'll leave the rules down below in the description box every single video so you guys can go tap in. Win your free pair of sneakers. I want to get back to you guys. As soon as you hit 80,000 subscribers and we're right around the corner, less than 1,200 away, you guys are going to be, one lucky person will be blessed with a pair of 11s. And then depending on the drop, we might give another pair away, you feel me? But that's neither here nor there. Let's get back to these J Balvin 3s. Super dope. And I thought that, these collabs was dead because, we got a J Balvin 1. I actually did cop that pair. And I did a full review on feet. If you guys have not checked that out, hit on Sneakers app. That was super dope. Me, Tops, and I think Joe all hit on live when we did go live back in the day. And I thought that was crazy, bro. I ain't never seen 3 people hit on the hype sneaker all at once. That was super dope, And then even transitioning over to the Air Jordan 2 J Balvins, they didn't even do that great in the resale value. You know what I'm saying? It was going up a little bit and then it dropped. And now both of those pairs I'm telling you guys about are going for a lot cheaper than what they were a couple of years ago. You know, usually with collabs, they trend upwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and search the J Balvin Air Jordan 1s and just see, you know what I'm saying, how the price is looking. So just, I already crossed the 2s. Let's go to a size 9. You guys know these are the J Balvin 2s right here. And you click on all the sizes and they all going for under retail, bro. All of them going for under retail right now. And I thought that, you know what I'm saying, the J Balvin 3s to do the same thing, but that's not the case, bro. That's not the case. That's why I didn't tell you guys not to buy them yet. I ain't say, you know what I'm saying, buy them now. I'm kind of in between the two, of waiting just a little bit, just because the other 2 Air Jordan J Balvin collaborations have dropped in resale value, man. So let's go ahead and pull up the Jordan 1 J Balvins and seeing what them things going for. Because it was going for like $450, $500. I remember because I sold my pair for around that price. And now they're not even going for that much. So here you go. If you guys don't know what the J Balvins look like, man, check them out. The J Balvin 1s. And you click on the resale value. Now they're only going for $330 when they used to go for like $550 around the drop date, man. So I'm up in between the two of buying them now and waiting a little bit, just because we have seen what the other 2 J Balvins have done. If I had to give advice to anybody, which I'm telling myself, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna wait just a little bit longer. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. And if they go a little bit too past, you know what I'm saying, about $450, then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. But I do think when people start getting their pairs in, you feel me, all the little Timmy start selling their pairs off, then our resale value will go down just a little bit, probably in the $300 price range, just like the Air Jordan 1 J Balvins. But you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section. Can't believe I got this far without asking you guys who all hit on these J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. Who even got a chance to enter? Me, I didn't even have a chance to enter for them things. Your boy dozed off, you feel me? That was just a rookie mistake. I should have stayed up, yeah, now your boy definitely got a resale. Didn't even get to enter the draw, bro. And let me know right now if you already paid that resale, and if you recommend other people to pay resale now. Do you think the resale will go up, or do you think that the resale will go down here within the near future? There's gonna be a lot of people asking, should they cop now or should they wait? Me, I'm gonna wait about a week or two, seeing what that price do, and then I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, make a couple moves and add some things to the collection for the end of the year. Definitely a top 10 pickup from your boy Da Vintage. If you guys have not already checked out the Air Jordan 8 full review and on feet, man, be sure to check it out. I showed you guys how to lace them. I showed you guys, you know what I'm saying, what pants to rock with these things. And I gave you guys some dope B-roll and on feet. So make sure you guys go tap into these things. Definitely a top 5 pickup for your boy. Been wanting these for years. They finally dropped them again, and now we finally have them. So like I said, go check out yesterday's video, or I'm gonna link it down below so you guys go tap in to that full review over the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Go ahead and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about these J Balvin 3s. And please leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video. And sub up if you haven't already. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.